Hi bestie, let's make chicken shawarma for the family tonight. First we'll put our chicken in the bowl, then add some paprika and curry and some fresh thyme. Add garlic, ginger and oil. Now we mix everything thoroughly. And that is it!
Well, life is a gift, so smile every day. Celebrate hard work, God's blessings, good friends, delicious food, dancing, laughter and living without unnecessary worries. Encourage people to keep hope alive also honestly, yeah. Enjoy every achievement. Your chorus should be catchy and easy for everyone to sing along. Life now gift, make we celebrate. Dance today, no reason to hate. God don't bless us, joy overflow. Everybody shine, make the good vibes flow. Life now gift, make we celebrate. Dance today, no reason to hate. God don't bless us, joy overflow. Everybody shine, make the good vibes flow. Baby,